Hi, I'm Lisa from the Room. This is one of our favourite soups. I just love roasted cauliflower, and when mixed with this Panang curry paste, it just hits the spot. It just works so well together. So if you're into Thai food, this one's for you. And can I ask you to please take a minute to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It's completely free and it's the easiest way to support what we do. Thank you so much. We are Andy and Lisa, a musician and an illustrator. This is where all our crazy ideas come together. Welcome to the Room, which on the oven at 220 degrees Celsius, that's 428 Fahrenheit. Prepare a head of cauliflower. Remember, you can save the leaves in the freezer for when you are making homemade stock cubes. Click on the link above if you want to see how I made those. The cauliflower needs to be cut into rather small bouquets. Then place them on a roasting tray and add a little bit of melted coconut oil. Give them a good grinding of salt. And massage the oil and salt into every bit. Put them in the preheated oven and roast for about half an hour. Then prepare the rest of the ingredients. Chop 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic, 2 medium potatoes, and prepare a pint of vegetable bouillon. This is a Thai Panang curry paste. This one is one of my favorites. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on how hot you like it. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Then let's get cooking. Melt a tablespoon of coconut oil in a large pot. Then add the onions and let them cook until they're soft and slightly golden. After half the time, turn the cauliflower in the oven. It's starting to smell really good by now. When the onions are soft, add the garlic. And the Panang curry paste. And then the potatoes. Stir well and let the curry paste coat the potatoes. It will stick to the bottom of the pot, but that only adds to the flavor, so don't worry. It will dissolve when you add the bouillon. Stir well, try to squeeze out the blobs of curry paste and cook until it becomes very fragrant. Then add the bouillon. Scrape the bottom of the pot to release the fried on flavours. Then add the salt. Stir, cover and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes are tender. Take the cauliflower out of the oven. We like them slightly burned because we think it gives the whole dish a lot more flavour. But of course you can burn them to your liking. Save a small amount of the roasted cauliflower for garnish and put the rest in the soup. Add a can of good quality coconut milk. This makes the soup lovely and creamy. And the lime juice. Stir well to dissolve the coconut milk and heat it all together. You can blend it with an immersion blender or transfer to whatever blender you have. Oh, it smells good. Taste the soup and adjust if it needs more salt. And that's it. The most gorgeous roasted cauliflower Panang soup, ready to eat. For garnish, add bits of roasted cauliflower and some parsley. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind.